Welcome to WinAirvideo. There is concrete work being done at the bases of the Gordie Howe Bridge Towers. Let's see what that's all about. A lot goes on during the construction of a bridge of this magnitude, like the work being done at the bases of the Gordie Howe Bridge Towers. To a layperson, like me, it may look like an afterthought or mason work to make the towers attractive. However, everything we see being accomplished at the project is meticulously planned and executed under strict compliance and inspection to ensure safe and functional crossing for the next 100 plus years. Crews are performing final concrete and structural work at the bases of the Gordie Howe Bridge Towers as part of the last phase of tower construction. This includes additional pours of reinforced concrete around the transition zones, soffit slabs, and vertical walls to ensure long-term stability and strength at the tower footings. The current work involves adding cast-in-place reinforced concrete to the tower bases, especially around join and transition areas where the legs meet the upper crossbeam and main deck. These pours are vital for completing the lower pylon and anchoring the massive tower structures securely into the ground, given the local soil conditions and the engineering demands of a cable-stayed bridge. The tower's lower portions use specialized concrete mixtures and heavy rebar to handle weight distribution and vibration from both the roadway and environmental factors. Segments at the base see the highest concrete volumes and reinforcement densities, aligning with the best practices for major bridge towers. The appearance of new concrete, formwork, and finishing equipment is a sign that the crews are making final preparations for the tower bases and the approach spans leading up to the opening. This visible addition of concrete and related formwork at the base of the Gordie Howe Bridge Towers reflects the last stages of structural completion and stability work before the bridge opens for traffic. It's comforting to know this new bridge, whenever it opens, will be an awesome looking and incredibly stable international structure Canada can be proud of building. Like and subscribe. This is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.